Welcome to the video, guys. Let's get right into it, man. If you are in the market for Nike, you know very well there are a lot of fakes and counterfeits being sold online every single day. And with the shift of everyone buying online in today's society, we are bound to come across or even purchase one of these fake products. So in this video, I will be covering the real versus fake 4th generation Nike Tech Fleece. On the left is the real one and the fake one is on the right. The first point that I want to address is the sizing. And when I bought the fake one, they had already sent me this letter saying that whatever I ordered, which I ordered a medium size, is the correct size and not what it says on the label. If you're getting notes like this or changes or modifying the tags, that should already be an immediate flag, considering that in my fake one, they had put this little M sticker over the L for large. And that already should be a no-no for you guys to look out for. But if I show you the real label here, I have a medium in the color-coded blue. And the unique thing about Nike and how they sell their products is that depending on the color code that you have, it will match with the sizing. I'll put a picture up here right now. If this happens to be mismatched one way or the other, the size doesn't match with the color code, then that could already be a sign that you are buying a fake. The second point I want to emphasize with you guys is the zippers that are found in both the real and the fake Nike Tech Fleece. I want to show you guys real quick. The real one has this new stitching covering the zipper. I'm not sure if you can see the very detail, but this what makes it very straight. When you're wearing it, it doesn't like fold or it doesn't sag when you're like sitting down. You know, it looks very tailored, clean fit. On the fake one, they kept this one right here, and they're actually using the previous Nike Tech season zipper. So when I'm talking about when it's like loose, you can tell how easy it is when you sit down. You got an idea how it could just like puff up and just like fold and be rounded like that. I have the previous Nike Tech Fleece season right here. You can see that this is the exact, they're using the exact same zipper as they are on this new one, and it's not exactly like this new one right here. All right, so that is definitely a thing to keep an eye out on, those zippers. And speaking on the new ones here too, they actually put the plastic covering, they actually perforated a little bit much better here than compared to the fake one here. It's a little bit more wide, it's not, and it's exposing the zipper that is stitching behind this plastic rubber covering. The third point that I want to share with you guys is the stitching between the real and the fake. I've noticed that in the real one, it is much more tailored, it's much more detailed, and you can very tell, like right here on the side-by-side comparison, how different it is with the fake one. You can see the stitching isn't so well. They don't use the exact color of the stitching here, so they actually went with the lighter olive gray color right here, from comparing to this bottom one here, as opposed to this real one. The stitching is just much more detailed, much more close knit than this fake one right here. And also the fabric itself, it's actually, the real one is it's a lot more warmer. The real one has a cotton polyester blend, as opposed to the fake one. I'm not too sure. I'll show you guys in a minute of the tags. And yeah, I feel like it's more prone to having some holes or rips, tears much faster. And on top of that, because of the low quality fabric that the fake one is using, it doesn't really provide a lot of warmth. The last point I want to emphasize with you guys is the style code that Nike has in their system and the way that they categorize their products. So Nike has a unique way of doing that. And here with the real one, I want to show you real quick is that in this label here under men's, it has a specific style code that is tied to this specific Tech Fleece colorway. And you really want to be mindful of this, because on the fake one as well, here it is, and I'll get to it right now, it has the wrong style code here. And the way that you can check and verify with that is going to the clothing label, the laundry tag, which is found inside of your jacket. So here it is, guys. Here is the clothing label. It says it's made in Cambodia. It tells you the material, what is being used. And if you pull right underneath that, you should see the specific clothing tag there, which matches the product code on the tags. And just to further verify, it says NIC there. Nike also uses that line to verify and prove that it is made from a certain country, made in Cambodia. Here on the sizing tag, you will see that it says medium and also made in Cambodia. With the fake one also is that here it says made in China, and we have the Nike label. And then if we go to find the clothing tag in this hoodie, there actually is none. So so these companies that making these tech fleeces actually are going backwards and not providing the clothing label when they should on these new Nike Tech Fleeces. Straight up fake, nothing included there. Little quick side note here for other details to wrap this video up is that the loops always here, they're always very nicely perforated, which I have seen in the past that these are like much longer. They can be much shorter too. I've seen them in the Nike Tech Fleeces, the ones that are made by Drake. And then you can see like how really much longer, and it's actually very more flimsy too. I feel like if I can pull this hard enough, it will just rip. And also the labeling here of the fake one is much darker than it is on the real one. It's much more brighter here, if you guys can see the difference there. If you found this comparison helpful, please leave a like, comment, and share this video, guys. And if you want to see a real versus fake comparison for the V-Season Nike Tech Fleece on my channel, click this video right here on screen. Thank you and Godspeed.